How to change currency on Amazon app. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change your currency on your Amazon app. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, head over to your Amazon app. After you open up your Amazon app, make sure that you're logged into your account. After you do so, you will need to go down on the bottom side and go to your profile section. Now there you will see your orders, your buy agains, and so much more. On the top you will see hello, your name, and on the right hand you will see the country or a flag. Simply tap on it, and after you tap on it you will see your country or region. Now simply tap on your country or region. You can change that according to your liking, and you can simply go to the currency again. After you go to the currency, you can change the currency from here. Now choose the currency that you want and simply tap on done and you're good to go. Now if you go back here and check, you will see that your currency has been changed. And that is how you change currency on Amazon app. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for this video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.